Birth to some more.
Any second now, there should be another baby balloon belly platyborn.
The hole is opening.
The hole? Oh, wait, is something poking out?
I don't know. Let's see. Looks like it opens and closes. Yeah, you traumatized her, put her in there, and oh, look how wide it's getting. It's coming. There it is.
There it is. You
She's
witnessed.
dropping
Oh, you just seen fish born.
Twins.
Holy cow! I got it on film.
Oh, here comes more.
Here they
There's
come.
another one.
Oh, right down.
Wow.
That's cool.
That's cool. That is cool. There's 3 more.
Come on,
She
Mama.
had a shitload of them. Oh. Yeah, the hole's still open. It didn't close up yet.
You know this is going on YouTube.
This is cool. I never seen them have them like that before. That's hard to catch usually.
Yep.
Aww. You should turn the light out and let her have them in private.
Yeah.
Aww. She sees all the fish looking at her. It's making her nervous.
Any more coming?
Not yet. Wait.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
Another one.
His little head's poking out.
His tail.
That's his head.
That's his head. He's breached.
He's coming.
Yeah, there he goes.
There he goes.
Spit out another one. Some of them came out tail first. That one came out head first. Oh, she got a bunch of them. Damn. You're going to have 1,000,000 babies.
And there's all the babies.
I think she might have a little more. I don't know. She's getting a little anxious there. The hole looks